How to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up and we should be able to turn it off. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. Open up the Facebook app for that. Even if you're on your Android or iPhone, you can follow the similar process. So once you open up Facebook, look out for the menu option in the top left and tap on it. Once you've tapped on it, a menu appears. You can select the option of settings and privacy from here and drop it down. And select settings from here. And access it up. Once you have accessed your settings, what we need to do is just go over and tap on the option called Account Center and tap on it. And open it up. And once we have opened it up, we can look out for the option called Password and Security and select it. And after we have selected password and security, we just need to look out for the option called two-factor authentication and tap on it. And here, choose up our Facebook account. Now here, for security reason, you need to re-enter your password to continue. So go ahead and enter your password and tap on continue. And here you will be finding this. Now, if you want to turn it off, we can just go over and find this option where you can get SMS or WhatsApp code. You just need to tap on it and you can tap on the option called turn off. And follow up the prompts. You can enter up your password to confirm, and when done, the two-factor authentication will be removed easily. You can also follow up the similar process for your website as well, and you should be able to turn it off. Facebook may ask you to verify your identity, enter up a login code, or wait for a short security period after changing your password or device. And this is how you do it. So for now, we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.